Gene interactions. Gene interactions are also called non-Mendelian gene interactions. Non-Mendelian gene interactions. The non-Mendelian gene interactions are two types. They are monohybrid gene interactions and dihybrid gene interactions. Today we discussed about monohybrid gene interactions, monohybrid cross gene interactions. In that monohybrid cross gene interactions, first we discussed about incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance means one gene cannot completely dominant on other genes. One gene character is completely cannot dominant on other gene, called incomplete dominance. The incomplete dominance example plant is Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa flowers are three types. They are red color flowers, white color flowers, and pink color flowers. The parental generations are contains red color flowers. They containing capital R genes. The red color flowers Mirabilis jalapa plants are crossed with white color flowers Mirabilis jalapa. White color flowers are expressed by the smaller gene. These are in heterozygotic condition. The two parental plants are in homozygotic condition. Two parental plants are in homozygotic condition. Capital R, and small r. Capital R express red color flowers. Smaller character expressed white color flowers. These two parental plants are produced two different types of gametes. They are capital R gamete and small r gamete to form F1 generation. The F1 generation phenotypes are pink color flowers. Pink color flowers means the capital R is completely dominant. Capital R cannot dominant on small r gene. Incompletely, capital R gene incompletely dominant on small r gene. So they express pink color flowers in F1 generation. In F1 generation, the pink color flowers are crossed with self-cross to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, 1:2:1. The phenotypic ratio is 1 means red color flowers are 1, 2 pink color flower plants, 1 white color flower plants. It is the phenotypic ratio. And the genotypic ratio is capital R, it is 1. Capital R, small r, it is they are 2, and smaller they are 1. We observed in Punnett checkerboard from the one parental plant capital R gamete, small r gamete. Another parental plant capital R gamete, small r gamete. They are fused to form 4 types of zygotes. The 4 types of zygotes are capital R is one type, capital R, small r, these are 2, small r, 1. So the phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance is 1:2:1, and the genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. And these are the Mirabilis jalapa plants. The Mirabilis jalapa plants are also called 4 o'clock plants. In local, we called Rudraksha flowers, Rudraksha plants. And the next in incomplete dominance example in ants. Albinism in ants. See, the parental ants are containing black colored eggs. It act as a female. Black color ants are act as a female, and splashed white color ants are act as a male. The black color ends are containing capital B alleles of genes. Splash white colored ends are containing small b gene alleles. These are produced two different gametes. One is capital B gametes, one from hen. Small b gamete from another hen. These are fused to form F1 generation. In F1 generation, the ends express blue color airs. Mean in Andalusian ends, 3 airs of colors are present. They are black, splashed white, and blue. Andalusian ends are 3 colors of airs. One is black color, they contain capital B gene, and splashed white color ends expressed by the small b genes. The capital B incompletely dominant on the small b gene, they can express the blue color aids of Andalusian ends. The blue color aids of Andalusian ends belongs to F1 generations. These are crossed with self-cross to form F2 generation. They can produce capital B gametes and small b gametes from each end. Capital B gametes, small b gametes. We can observe in Punnett checkerboard the genotypic ratio and phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance in Andalusian ends. 1:2:1, 1:2:1. The phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and genotypic ratio also 1:2:1. Here it is 1 is belongs to black color aids of Andalusian ends, 2 belongs to blue color aids of Andalusian ends, 1 belongs to splashed white aids of Andalusian ends. The genotype is also 1:2:1. It is another example of incomplete dominance. And the next one is codominance. The codominance in human blood groups. The codominance in human blood groups are mainly two. They are rare blood group, they are MN blood group. These MN blood groups are first identified by the Lond-Steiner scientist, Laurin scientist. The parental human beings are contains Lond M, LMLM gene, and these types of human beings are crossed with LN blood groups. These two blood groups are in homozygotic condition. They are produced capital M gametes from one parental generation. Another parental generation produced capital N to form F1 generation. The F1 generation is new blood group. The new blood group is LMLN blood group. The LMLN blood groups are formed in the F1 generation by the codominance. Codominance means capital M blood group cannot dominance on the capital N blood group. At the same time, the small capital N blood group cannot dominance on the capital M blood group. These are in mutual understand. They are in co-dominance. They can produce new blood group. They can produce a new blood group in F1 generation. They are called capital M, capital N blood groups. The capital M, capital N blood groups are human beings are crossed with self-cross to from F2 generation. In F2 generation of codominance, phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and the genotypic ratio also 1:2:1. 1 belongs to M blood group, 2 belongs to MN blood group, 1 belongs to N blood group. So the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and genotypic ratio also 1:2:1. It observed in the Punnett checkerboard. One human beings produced M blood group, M gametes and N gametes. Another human being produced M gametes and N gametes. These are fertilized to form 4 types of zygotes. From these 4 types of zygotes, one zygote belongs to M blood group, 2 zygotes belongs to MN blood group, and one other zygote belongs to N blood group. It is the codominance phenotypic ratio in human beings of blood groups 1:2:1 and genotypic ratio also 1:2:1. And the next example of codominance is cattle, air colors. Cattle air colors. Cattle air colors are, here it is, red airs expressed by the RR genes, white airs expressed by the WW genes, capital W genes, and roan airs expressed by the capital R, capital W genes. Here it is in the codominance example, second example, cattle air colors. Here it is, parental plants are containing CR gene. C means cattle, RR means red airs. Capital R, CR, it is one parental cattle. Another parental cattle, CW with white airs. These are in homozygotic condition. These are crossed to form F1 generation. In F1 generation, new airs are developed by the codominance. The airs are expressed by the CRCW genes. The CRCW genes are expressed roan heirs. The roan heirs of cattle crossed with the self cross to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, the genotypic ratio and phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Here it is one cattle produced CR gene gamete with CW gamete. Another cattle produces CR gamete and CW gamete. These are fertilized to form 4 types of zygotes. From these 4 types of zygote, one type of zygote belongs to CR, mean red color A's. The two belongs to CW, they belongs to roan heirs, and one belongs to CW, white color heirs. It is the second example of codominance. And complete dominance. Complete dominance is explained by the pea plants. The best example is pea plants. The parental pea plants are in homozygotic condition. They contain tall, capital T genes. Another parental plant containing small t genes. These are in pure dwarf conditions. These two parental plants are produced capital T small t gametes to form F1 generation. The F1 generation is in heterozygotic condition. These F1 generations are crossed with complete dominant parental plant. Complete dominant parental plant means here it is the complete dominant parental plant. The pure tall dominant parental plant. F1 generations are crossed with pure tall homozygotic dominant parental plants to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, the plants are in dominant character. The dominant character is in tall. 100% F2 generation plants are containing tall stem with capital T genes. The genotypic ratio is 1:1, but the phenotypic ratio is 100% tall plants are developed in the F2 generation. So 100% tall plants are developed means 100% dominant, complete dominant. Mainly 3 laws. One is complete dominance, second one is incomplete dominance, third one is codominance. These are the 3 dominants